Hey everyone, welcome to my MedHub channel. Today we will delve into a heartwarming tale of trust, challenges, and triumph in the medical world. Discover Caroline's journey, a patient whose resilience and faith intertwine with her doctor's determination, showcasing the profound impact of harmonious doctor-patient relationships. Amidst the backdrop of a global pandemic, this story reminds us that in the realm of medicine, it's not just about healing the body, it's about touching souls. Tune in and be inspired. In 2020, amidst the global upheaval caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, our medical team at a leading urban healthcare center was tested in more ways than one. Beyond the pandemic's challenges, it was the individual stories of patients like Caroline that truly defined our year. Caroline, a 71-year-old lady, was brought into our emergency department one fateful evening. Her kidney function readings were alarmingly over 5 times the normal limit. "I've been feeling so weak," she whispered, her voice barely audible. Robert, her life partner of 50 years, held her hand tightly, his eyes filled with concern. Her medical history was a tapestry of challenges: hypertension, type 2 diabetes, a brain aneurysm treated with a stent, and a history of kidney stones. "She's been through so much," Robert murmured, recounting her medical journey. "And now she hasn't urinated for about 12 hours. Our team acted swiftly. We placed a ureteric stent to alleviate the obstruction. As days passed, her kidney function showed signs of improvement. However, further investigations revealed a grim reality: a massive malignant tumor in her right kidney. The left had lost all functionality years ago. The news was a double blow for Caroline. During her hospital stay, we had several heart-to-heart conversations with her and Robert. The couple was faced with a daunting decision. While a nephron-sparing surgery, that is partial nephrectomy, was a possibility, her overall condition seemed precarious. The lack of enhanced imaging due to her poor kidney function made the assessment of local vessels and structures challenging. Even experts, seasoned in handling complex urological tumors, were not entirely confident in their ability to both excise the tumor and preserve the kidney. The alternative was lifelong dialysis post-surgery. The room was heavy with their silence. Then Robert looked at us, tears brimming. "She's my rock. We've faced so much together. This is just so unexpected." Please, moved by their bond and their faint hope for a better life, our team was at a crossroads: to retreat or to embrace the challenge. "We're considering a partial nephrectomy," I explained. "One day, but it's not without its risks." Robert nodded. "We trust you, all of you. We've seen the care you provide, not just as doctors, but as humans." In the following days, the surgery team crafted a meticulous plan. Anesthesiologists and ICU colleagues assessed the risks. The blood bank prepared ample blood products. Nephrologists evaluated post-operative dialysis needs, and the nursing team devised a comprehensive care plan. On the morning of the surgery, as the team prepared, Caroline whispered, "Doctor, I'm in your hands. Wish us luck." I squeezed her hand and said, "We'll do our best." Caroline, the surgery was nothing short of a monumental challenge. As we made the first incision, the sheer size of the tumor became evident. Over 20 centimeters in diameter, it protruded into the abdominal cavity, its surface teeming with blood vessels. The room was thick with tension, Every move had to be calculated, every decision critical. The adhesions around the right renal hilum made it difficult to expose, and every member of the team worked in harmony, understanding the stakes. Dr. Chi, our lead surgeon, took a deep breath. This is it, team. We need to remove this tumor while preserving as much of the kidney as possible. Hours felt like minutes, and every moment was a battle between hope and uncertainty. As we meticulously separated the tumor from the surrounding tissues and exposed the renal vessels, the enormity of our task was clear, but step by step, with precision and collaboration, the kidney was gradually freed from the surrounding tissues, revealing the renal vessels. After the tumor was excised, we worked on repairing and reconstructing the remaining part of the kidney. The moment the temporary clamp on the renal artery was removed, the injured kidney gradually turned pink, signaling life. Urine started flowing from the ureter, a sign that the kidney was functioning. A collective sigh of relief filled the room. The surgery had lasted 5 hours, and the malignant tumor he removed weighed over 5 kilograms. The challenges we faced were immense, but the team's dedication and expertise prevailed. Breaking the news of the successful surgery to her husband was a moment I'll cherish forever. His tears of joy and gratitude were a testament to the profound doctor-patient bond. As Caroline slowly regained consciousness post-surgery, Robert, holding her hand, whispered, "You did it, love, we did it." Reflecting on Caroline's journey and our role in it, I realized the profound impact of trust in the doctor-patient relationship. While Caroline was just one of the many patients we see, to her, we represented hope. It's a humbling thought. Trust is the foundation, but it's also a two-way street. As doctors, we must see beyond the disease, recognizing the individual, their hopes, fears, and dreams. However, trust alone isn't enough. Caroline had been visiting our teaching hospital's outpatient department for years, yet it seemed that few had taken the time for regular physical checkups or advised her to monitor her urinary system closely, especially given her history with kidney stones. The pandemic further strained our healthcare system, with resources and attention primarily directed towards combating the virus. This unprecedented situation, while highlighting the resilience and dedication of healthcare professionals, also underscored some oversights in patient care. Perhaps in our specialized fields and amidst the chaos of the pandemic, we sometimes became too narrowly focused, seeing the disease but not the person. The crisis, however, also brought doctors and patients closer, uniting us in the face of adversity. It served as a stark reminder that we must always prioritize the individual, understanding their unique journey and needs, especially in challenging times. In the realm of medicine, it's not just about healing the body, it's about touching souls. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.